What is going on, everybody? James Blue Tech coming to you here, and today I'll be unboxing the AirPods third generation. Now, when getting these, I was a little bit nervous because, as you can clearly tell based on the picture here, the earbuds are a lot bigger than the first and second generation ones, which is the one I have. I have the first gen AirPods, and so it was time for me to upgrade because my battery was going low, and it was just not working that right. So I wanted to upgrade, and I was going back and forth, which should I get the third generation or not? And I eventually pulled the trigger and went with these. So let's see what's inside the box. Now, obviously, like with any unboxing, the first thing you'll get is obviously the paperwork here at the front. And underneath that, you'll get the new AirPods. And before we take a look at these AirPods, you'll also be getting a USB-C to Lightning cable. And the really nice thing about this cable is it seems like it's a pretty lengthy cable. Now, I personally will more than likely use wireless charging, but it's nice to actually have a nice cable as an option. And the really nice thing about these AirPods third generation is that you'll also get MagSafe with these, so you'll always get that right spot. I don't know too many people would actually have a problem lining up a small little square like this onto a wireless charging pad, but hey, having MagSafe is always nice. And they also upgraded the AirPods Pro case with the MagSafe case as well. So if you do decide to go with the AirPods Pro, you'll also be getting that MagSafe as well. Now, here's the new AirPods third generation. Now, as you can clearly tell, this is very similar to the AirPods Pro case, but it is a little smaller. I don't have the AirPods Pro. I could hold them side by side, but if you actually have the AirPods Pro and have it side by side with this case is a little smaller than the AirPods Pro case. Now, as you can tell, the earbuds here look very similar to the AirPods Pro as well, minus these silicone tips. So if you're somebody who doesn't like the silicone tips and actually rather just have the open ear design, these might be the way to go. So this has been my unboxing of the third generation AirPods. I will be doing a review later on this week and see how they compare to the first and second generation AirPods. So if you're somebody who's looking to upgrade from your first or second gen, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you guys don't miss that video. And if you guys do currently own these third generation AirPods, let me know what you guys think of them down in the comment section below. I would love to know what you guys think. And as always, it's been James Blue Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.